I'm Maddie with Maddie Sews, and thanks for hanging with me, you all. So it is Vlogmas Day 9, and today I wanted to talk to you about a charity event that I was just recently able to participate in, and it was so much fun. So this past Saturday, I met up with the Sew Much Talent DMV group in Annapolis, Maryland, to make MorsBags for donation. If you're not familiar with MorsBags, don't worry, because I wasn't either. The entire concept behind making MorsBags is that you make these reusable, washable tote bags, and then you give it to people who can use them. So when they go shopping, instead of getting plastic bags, they can use their tote bags, and it helps remove plastic from the environment and the waterways. It's definitely a wonderful cause and something that you can get behind by honestly probably using things that you already have in your stash or around your home. Prior to meeting up with all of the fabulous sewists who were there, I had decided that I was going to use some upholstery fabric that I had from some curtains that I made years ago for my home that I was no longer using. And it was just really sturdy, heavyweight fabric. And you all, I am so sorry I don't have them here, but I took them all on Saturday, cut them up, and started sewing them. I had a total of 3 long panels, and I was able to cut 12 bags out of that, which was really exciting. And actually, the ladies were so clever because someone actually made a template for the different bag parts, which was just 2 pieces, but still extremely helpful. They had the main body, which you cut on the fold, and then they had the strap that you sewed up separately and then attached to your bags. So let me tell you, just walking into the library where we were all meeting was quite the experience. It was a beautiful library, and when I walked into the room, I was actually surprised at just how large it was, and they had stations set up for all of the different sewists. Everyone brought their own sewing machines, and they were doing kind of an assembly line approach to putting these bags together. While we were all there sewing bags, I was able to complete 4 different tote bags. And you all, I was so grateful that some of the other sewists volunteered to take up my slack and sew up the rest that I had cut out, because I just knew there was no way that I'd get them done this year. So I'm really grateful that they were able to finish those up. And you know what? All in all, they got about 60 bags donated. In fact, when we were walking out of the actual library, somebody pulled up in a car and said, "I have bags!" It was the most perfect timing. So as we were packing up the car, we received an additional 24 already made bags. And some of those bags were actually made for wheelchairs, which I thought was just a very thoughtful thing. So here's a picture here of everyone who met up to make the MorsBags. The bags that we made are actually going to be donated to a food pantry. So the Scan Food Pantry in Anne Arundel County. And the wheelchair bags are all going to a nursing home. So all a wonderful cause. If you're interested in getting involved and making MorsBags, no matter where you are, you can participate. I'm going to put the link in the information box below. I'm also going to put the link to the food pantry website in case anyone is local in Anne Arundel County and would like to have that information. If you do plan on making MorsBags and giving them out, my biggest recommendation would be not to only just have fun making the MorsBags and doing something really good, but go out with your fellow sewists and have coffee, tea, desserts, dinner, whatever it may be, because that to me was the most powerful part. We all, after we made the MorsBags, went out and had an early dinner together, and we got to tell each other a lot of sewing stories, share tips and tricks, and you all, I learned such amazing things about these women, and some of them have some really good tips. In fact, Miss Andy gave me some LED lights for my sewing machine, And you all, I can't wait to put this on. So of course I'm going to bring you all along for the ride when I figure this little contraption out. But I just thought that was the sweetest thing. If you enjoyed learning about this charity project, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I am doing Vlogmas up until Christmas, and when you subscribe and hit that bell, it'll let you know the next time there's a video. And a quick note, in case you didn't know, Joann's is running a pattern sale today, so get the details here in this video. And you all, until next time, I sincerely hope that you find joy and have a wonderful day.